Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different ways that you can use aloe vera to help clear your skin. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first option is going to be oil cleansing. So I'm going to be making aloe vera oil by using the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf and placing it into a pan that is on the stove on medium heat, and I'm going to put olive oil and sunflower oil into the pan, and I'm going to let the aloe vera simmer for about 15 minutes. So oil cleansing helps to remove makeup, surface debris, and excess oils from the face. So now I'm going to apply the oil all over my face, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take a baby wipe or a makeup wipe and just wipe off all the oil from my face and wash my face with a cleanser. So for the last 4 options, I'm going to need aloe vera juice. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I get the aloe vera juice from the actual aloe vera leaf. If you want, you can use bottled aloe vera juice, but I like fresh aloe vera juice. So all I'm going to do is just cut the leaf into pieces, and then I'm going to split it in the pieces in half, and then I'm going to scoop out the jelly part of the aloe vera, and I'm going to put that part into the blender, and then I'm going to strain it, and that's how I get the juice. So for the second option, it's going to be a facial scrub. So I'm just going to use aloe vera juice and baking powder. You can use sugar if you want, or you can use sea salt if you would like. So all you're going to do is just put the sugar or the sea salt or baking soda into the aloe vera juice, and you're just gonna mix it together until you get a thick paste, and you're gonna apply it onto your face. And you could let it sit on your face for about 5 minutes before you wash it off, or you could just immediately wash it off afterwards. The third option is going to be a face mask. So you could just put the aloe vera on your face and just let it and wait till it dries and then wash it off. Or you can use bentonite clay and mix it with the aloe vera juice. Or you can do a DIY, which I plan on doing. I'm going to be using aloe vera juice, honey, and turmeric oil. You could definitely use turmeric powder if you would like. And you're just going to mix everything together. And then you'll place it on your face and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before washing off. And the fourth option is just going to be using the aloe vera juice as a toner. So you're just going to need a cotton ball or you'll need a cotton pad. And then you'll just place the aloe vera juice onto the cotton ball and just wipe it on your face and use it as a toner and follow up with a facial moisturizer. So for the fifth option, it's going to be a facial moisturizer. So you can use any type of butter that you would like. I'm going to be using African shea butter. You can use cocoa butter or you can use mango butter or any other butters that is out there. And I'm going to use a cup of shea butter and a quarter cup of aloe vera juice. And I'm just going to put it in this mixing bowl and I'm going to whip the aloe vera and the shea butter together. So I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box for a preservative that you can use with this butter so that way it can have a longer shelf life. Now, after applying the moisturizer to your face, you can follow up with a sunscreen to protect your face from the sun when you go outside. And that is all, you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which options you guys already use or plan on using. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Big dog.